So now we are in the part 2 of our conversion of standard form to general form. In the first part, we convert standard form to general form. But this time, we will try to discuss the conversion of general form to standard form. So a quick recap, standard form is in the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, where h and k is the center of the circle, and and wait, and r is the radius of the given circle, whereas the general form is like this: ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, where a is the coefficient of variable x with the power of 2, b with the variable y with the power of 2, c with the variable x to the power of 1, d as the coefficient of y with the power of 1, and e as the constant term. And that is equal to 0. Okay? So, given the general form, for example, how do we convert it to standard form? Okay, so let's say we have we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so that is very important, that equal to 0. First thing that we need to do in order to convert it to standard form is to transpose negative 1 to the right side. So it will become x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y equal to positive 12, since when we transpose a number to the left side or a term, we will have its opposite in integer. So after that, we will group this by x and by y. So what do I mean by that? So x squared and negative 4x is pair, and y squared and 6y is pair also. Okay. So we put operation here or addition because it is different terms. Okay. So y squared plus 6y again equal to 12. Now the next process here is a bit complex, but it's easy to follow if we follow this process. Okay, so the next step is to complete the squares. So notice that it has no it just has no constant term in the we call it at the end, but we need to convert it to square in order to find this form. Okay, in this part we will finding this x minus h squared na. Okay, so how do we find that? It is the process of completing the squares. So to complete the squares, it is simple. Okay, let's draw or drew a parenthesis here and put x here. If this is x squared, then x here minus the half of negative 4, which is 2. Okay, or I mean the half of 2. So the process is get the variable without the power, copy the operation, then half of the second term, which is 2, then put the square here. Now same process here. If this is y, then this, or this y, if this is y squared, then this is y. Copy the operation, then half of 6 is 3. Then don't forget the square. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to square the second term. And its result is not added to the same side. We will add that to the right side to cancel this. Okay, to cancel the value of it. Okay, so negative 2 squared is 4. Okay, so 12, we have plus 4 here. Then squared of 3 is 9. Okay, so now we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared of 12 plus 4 plus 9, that is 25. So this is our standard form of this general form. Now, onto our next example. So let's say we have um, x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 23. So again, transpose this to the right side. So we will have x squared 4x 6y equals to positive 23. So from negative 23, it will become positive. So what to do next? We will group, okay? Group the same variable. So x squared is paired with positive 4x and y squared is paired with 6y. Now, next thing that we need to do is to complete the square. So put a parenthesis, then copy the, or put x here. Okay, copy the operation, then half of the second term, which is 2. We will disregard the x in this case. Okay, so after that, we'll put exponent 2 here. Plus, same process. If this is y squared, then this is y. Copy operation, then half of 6, which is 3. Now, 2 squared is 4, and we will put that 4 here. And 3 squared is positive 9, and we'll put that 9 here. Okay, so to simplify this, we will have 23 plus 4 plus 9. That is 86. So therefore, our answer, or the standard form for this general form, is this. And this is our final answer. So that is how you convert from general form to standard form.